Hello there. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome too. My name is Tamara, and today I am doing a top bun with a side fringe. So I start by sectioning off the hair where I'm going to put the side fringe. Gather as much hair as possible. You can put the line where you like, where you prefer it, but just make sure that you gather as much hair as possible. The fringe I'm going for today is something a little bit fluffy. So I always go in with my spray of water, just a little bit, and then I'm going to braid that side without bang. I'm going to braid it up and do a twist just to keep it and tuck it away as we work on the other section. So I wanted to try the Shine and Jam gel because I've heard good things about it. So let's go for it and see how it turns out. I like the feel of it, and when you put very little, it glides through the hair very easily and very well. So I think this is something that I would recommend. I really liked it, and this is the first time I'm using it on my hair. It's definitely better than Eco Styler gel. So I applied a good amount on this side, and I'm going to apply a good amount as well on the other side and brush it down, smear it down as much as possible to your desired level. Once you start slicking down, you will feel it. I was not comfortable with the parting, so I went ahead and sectioned off a little bit of the hair just to take off some more hair. And here I'm applying on the other side as well. One thing I also find about this gel is you do not have to use too much for the hair to slick down. So go ahead and put your hair into a ponytail. I'm just gonna use this brush to collect all the hair that is remaining. I went ahead and put some on the back as well. And now find your scarf, your silk scarf, and tie it down. You might have to tie it down very tightly so that it reaches the hair. And then I went ahead and used the blower for about 5 minutes and I left it. Okay, we're going to use this expression extensions. Very small, maybe about 3/4, actually quarter of the packet. I did not use much. I'm just detangling it and removing excess hair. Okay, so just put your hair into a ribbon, tie it up. I went ahead and did my makeup off screen because it's not the focus of this video. But yeah, now I'm just going to attach the hair using a ribbon. As you can see, I'm just going to attach the extension onto my ponytail. I usually used to make it very tight so that when I am winding it up, it does not pull off. So I'll just go ahead and twist the hair. I did not make this very complicated. And now for the front section. I went ahead and attached a little bit of extension. I mean, the hairstyle could work without an extension, but I wanted my hair to be fluffy, to fluffed up, so I went ahead and touched this human hair extension that I got of Amazon. Just 2 was enough. So now I'll go ahead and straighten my hair, but I'm not straightening it to be very bone straight. I want it straight. I want it long, but a fluffy. I'm going for a fluffy look. So as you can see, I keep checking to see if it's not going too bone straight. I think I'm comfortable with that, so I'm going to leave it like this. And I'll do the same for the rest of the hair. little bit, not too much though, just a little bit. So I went ahead and finished off my edges with my usual gel, my edge control. I did not use too much, just a little bit for the final effects. So this is the final look. I hope you love it as much as I love it. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.